Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 12. It is from chapter 24 of College Physics 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to find the smallest detail we can observe with a microscope that uses ultraviolet light with the given frequency. So let's start with what we know. Okay, we know it's UV light, so that means it's an EM wave. We know the frequency is 1.20 times 10 to the 15 hertz. Okay, the smallest detail we can observe is determined by the wavelength. So we are going to need to find wavelength. So what is lambda? Okay, we said it is a UV light, and so it's an EM wave, and so C is lambda F. We need this to say lambda equals, so we need to divide both sides by F, and we get speed of light divided by frequency F. Okay, so we can substitute the numbers. We get 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second divided by the frequency, which is 1.20 times 10 to the 15 hertz. I did the calculation and I got 2.50 times 10 to the minus 7 meters. So this is the size of the smallest observable object for that frequency of the ultraviolet light. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.